BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, was originally started as a battery company in 1995.
BYD stormed past Tesla to become the #1 EV manufacturer on the planet. So is BYD having the last laugh?
The CEO of one of the biggest giants in the electric vehicle industry, BYD, has just announced the launch of all solid-state batteries.
BYD launched the game changer, the BYD Blade battery.
These batteries are said to be capable of charging your car in just 10 minutes. This may sound like science fiction, but it's the next big leap in EV technology. With incredible range and lightning-fast charging, BYD is rewriting the rules of what's possible for sustainable transportation. But what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? And how will it impact drivers around the world? Why BYD is switching to all solid-state batteries. Before we get into why BYD is making this huge switch, we need to first understand what all solid-state batteries are. Most batteries we use today, like the ones in phones, laptops, and electric cars, are lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have something called liquid electrolytes inside them. This liquid helps move energy around inside the battery, but these liquid electrolytes can be a bit dangerous. If the battery gets too hot, the liquid can catch fire or even explode. This is where all solid-state batteries are different. All solid-state batteries replace the liquid inside with a solid material. This means there is no liquid that can catch fire. The solid material does the same job of moving energy, but in a much safer way. This makes these batteries not only safer, but also better in many other ways. BYD made the decision to switch to all solid-state batteries because these batteries are safer and more efficient than traditional lithium-ion batteries.
Solid-state batteries need to be manufactured in extremely controlled conditions. The actual manufacturing process is also very labor-intensive, at least for right now, especially compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries.
Traditional batteries use liquid electrolytes, which can cause problems like fires or overheating. All solid-state batteries, on the other hand, use solid electrolytes. This change makes them safer and better at storing energy. The company believes this innovation will greatly improve the performance of electric vehicles, also known as EVs, and other devices that use batteries. Apart from the safety reason, another reason BYD is making this change is that all solid-state batteries are more efficient. They can store more energy in the same amount of space compared to traditional batteries. This is called higher energy density. With higher energy density, cars can drive longer distances on a single charge. Some of these new batteries can enable cars to travel more than hundreds of miles per charge, which is a huge improvement. This is especially important for people who want to use EVs for long trips without worrying about running out of power. Charging time is another area where all solid-state batteries shine. Traditional batteries can take hours to fully charge, which is inconvenient. All solid-state batteries can charge much faster, often in about 10 minutes. This is almost as quick as filling a car with gas. Faster charging makes EVs even more practical for everyday use. It means drivers can spend less time waiting and more time driving. That's not all. Besides safety and efficiency, these batteries also open new possibilities for other devices. They can be used in drones, making them lighter and able to fly longer distances. Smartphones can benefit from longer battery life and faster charging.
Xiaomi solid-state battery technology, a whole new revolutionary battery for smartphones.
Renewable energy systems can also use these batteries to store more power and distribute it when needed. This could help create a more sustainable energy future by making renewable sources like wind and solar more reliable. BYD's decision to switch to all solid-state batteries reflects its commitment to innovation and sustainability. The company sees this technology as a way to lead the EV industry and stay ahead of competitors. By improving the safety, performance, and practicality of EVs, all solid-state batteries could encourage more people to switch from gasoline-powered cars to electric ones. This change supports global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Despite the incredible benefits and features associated with these all-solid-state batteries, like other batteries in the electronics industry, they also face certain challenges that must be addressed. Keep watching to find out what these challenges are. Challenges associated with the all-solid-state batteries. All-solid-state batteries are an exciting breakthrough in energy storage, but, like any innovative technology, they come with their own set of challenges that must be addressed before they can be widely adopted. One of the biggest obstacles is cost. Producing all-solid-state batteries is significantly more expensive than manufacturing standard lithium-ion batteries. The materials required, such as solid electrolytes, are costly and not as readily available.
It can actually pass through from the electrolyte itself. This means much higher safety and potentially much better performance, but there's other challenges.
Additionally, the processes and specialized equipment needed to produce these batteries on a large scale add to the expense. This high price makes it difficult for manufacturers to offer these batteries at competitive rates. Reducing costs is a major focus for researchers and industry experts who are exploring alternative materials and production methods. Another huge challenge is scaling up production. Currently, most all-solid-state batteries are made in research labs or small production facilities. Manufacturing a few prototypes is manageable, but producing these batteries in large quantities for global markets presents logistical and technical difficulties. Scaling up involves not only building new factories, but also refining production techniques to ensure consistent quality. Until this hurdle is overcome, the availability of these batteries will remain limited. Durability over time is another issue associated with all solid-state batteries. While all solid-state batteries are known for their high energy density, they can degrade with repeated use. Tiny cracks can form in the solid electrolyte during charge and discharge cycles, reducing the battery's performance over time. These cracks can also cause energy transfer within the battery to become less efficient. Researchers are working on creating more durable materials that can withstand repeated use without breaking down. Internal resistance is a technical problem that affects the performance of these batteries. Unlike liquid electrolytes, solid electrolytes can sometimes struggle to create a seamless connection with the other components of the battery, such as the electrodes. This can result in reduced efficiency and slower energy transfer. Scientists are experimenting with different designs and materials to improve the interface between the battery's components and reduce this resistance. Things don't end there. Temperature sensitivity is another concern. Many all-solid-state batteries perform best at higher temperatures, which is impractical for most real-world applications. For example, in cold climates, the battery's efficiency can drop significantly, making it less reliable. This limitation is a major drawback for industries like electric vehicles, where batteries need to perform consistently in all weather conditions. Engineers are focused on developing solid electrolytes and battery designs that can operate effectively across a wide range of temperatures.
Working at high pressures and high temperatures, which increases the cost of manufacturing.
There is the challenge of public and market acceptance. While the benefits of all solid-state batteries are clear to experts, convincing businesses and consumers to invest in this new technology can be difficult. Concerns about the high cost, reliability, and unfamiliarity with the technology may discourage widespread adoption. Companies will need to demonstrate the long-term advantages of these batteries, such as reduced maintenance and greater safety, to build trust and confidence. Despite this problem, BYD is still willing to take the step of innovation by incorporating all solid-state batteries into its ecosystem. Let's find out how these batteries contribute to the company's legacy. How all solid-state batteries contribute to BYD's legacy of innovation. BYD has always been known for innovation. The company is constantly finding ways to improve its products, reduce environmental harm, and make advanced technologies more accessible. All solid-state batteries are the latest addition to BYD's growing list of breakthroughs. These batteries have the potential to reshape the industry and reinforce BYD's position as a pioneer in sustainable transportation and energy solutions. One way all solid-state batteries contribute to BYD's legacy is by offering a safer alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Safety has always been a huge concern in the energy storage and electric vehicle industries. Lithium-ion batteries, while widely used, come with risks such as overheating and fires. BYD has already made strides in improving battery safety with its Blade battery, which greatly reduces fire hazards. Now, with all solid-state batteries, BYD takes safety a step further. By replacing the liquid electrolytes in traditional batteries with solid electrolytes, the risk of short circuits and thermal runaway is nearly eliminated. This makes all solid-state batteries a game changer for electric vehicles, where safety is a top priority for consumers and regulators alike. Like we mentioned earlier, another major benefit of these batteries is their higher energy density. BYD has always focused on creating efficient energy solutions, and all solid-state batteries align perfectly with this goal. These batteries can store more energy in the same amount of space compared to traditional batteries. For example, some all-solid-state batteries have the potential to provide ranges exceeding 600 miles, a significant improvement over current lithium-ion batteries. By adopting this technology, BYD can address one of the biggest concerns of EV buyers' range anxiety. Longer ranges make electric vehicles more practical and appealing, helping BYD attract more customers and encourage the shift from gasoline-powered cars to EVs.
No company makes or sells more than BYD.
Wait, there's more. In addition to longer ranges, all solid-state batteries also enable faster charging times. Charging an electric vehicle can take several hours with current technology, which can be inconvenient for many drivers. All solid-state batteries, however, can be charged much more quickly, sometimes in as little as 10 minutes. This makes owning an electric vehicle more convenient and comparable to the quick refueling times of traditional gas-powered cars. BYD's commitment to improving user experience is evident in its adoption of this technology, as it directly addresses one of the most common barriers to EV adoption. These batteries also contribute to BYD's legacy by making electric vehicles more environmentally friendly. Sustainability is at the core of BYD's mission, and all solid-state batteries align with this vision. The improved efficiency and durability of these batteries mean fewer resources are needed to produce and replace them over time. They also have the potential to reduce reliance on harmful materials like cobalt, which is often associated with environmental and ethical concerns during mining. By exploring sustainable alternatives, BYD can minimize its environmental footprint while leading the industry toward greener practices. The versatility of all solid-state batteries also enhances BYD's innovation. While they are primarily discussed in the context of electric vehicles, these batteries have applications beyond the automotive industry. BYD is a leader in renewable energy storage solutions, and all solid-state batteries can be used to store energy from solar panels and wind turbines more efficiently. They also have potential uses in devices like drones, smartphones, and medical equipment. By integrating this technology into multiple sectors, BYD can expand its influence and continue to shape the future of energy. All solid-state batteries also support BYD's commitment to global carbon reduction efforts. As governments worldwide implement stricter emissions regulations, automakers must innovate to meet these standards. BYD has always been ahead of the curve, offering solutions that not only comply with regulations, but exceed them. By adopting all solid-state batteries, BYD can produce vehicles that are more efficient, reliable, and sustainable, helping countries transition to cleaner energy systems. This aligns with BYD's broader mission of creating a better future through green technology. Finally, the introduction of all solid-state batteries shows BYD's role as a trendsetter in the industry. As one of the first major companies to adopt this technology, BYD is setting an example for others to follow. Its willingness to embrace cutting-edge solutions reinforces its reputation as a leader in innovation. Other companies look to BYD for inspiration, and its success with all solid-state batteries could accelerate the adoption of this technology across the industry. As we look at these amazing changes in the car industry, it's clear we're entering an exciting new era. Traditional engines and electric vehicles are making huge strides, each offering unique benefits. These new, advanced engines could one day surpass electric vehicles, providing the convenience of traditional cars with the eco-friendliness we need. Others are certain that EVs are the only way forward. Which side will you be on? That brings us to the end of this video. The rise of Xpeng Motors. It finally happened. The dream of flying cars, something we once thought only existed in science fiction movies, is now real. China has done it. They've introduced the world's first ever flying car, a functioning, groundbreaking reality, not just a wild concept.
This is definitely very exciting. This has been in the works for over 10 years. Actually, the predecessor of Huitian is actually older than Xpeng itself.
I'll leave that to sink in for a moment because we're about to witness a huge shift in how we move, live, and think about transportation. This is not just another electric car or a flashy tech gadget. It's the first serious step toward a new way of life, and it's happening in China. Now, why does this even matter so much? Well, think about it. We've all been stuck in endless traffic, wasting hours in our cars, trapped in a system that hasn't changed much in decades. Roads are crowded, cities are growing, and we're spending more time than ever just getting from one place to another. But what if you could rise above all that? What if you could skip the road, take to the skies, and get to where you need to be without hassle? That's what China's flying car promises, and it's set to change everything. But who's behind this revolutionary leap? Before we reveal the incredible flying car, let's delve into the story of Xpeng Motors and discover how they've brought the Xpeng X2 to life. Xpeng Motors is a company making waves in the world of transportation.
This is the X2, a battery-powered aircraft known as an eVTOL, which can take off and land vertically.
Known for its cutting-edge electric vehicles and innovative technology, Xpeng Motors leads the charge toward a cleaner, smarter future. One of Xpeng Motors' key strengths is its focus on technology. The company is known for incorporating cutting-edge technology into its vehicles, making them stand out in the competitive electric vehicle market. Xpeng Motors was co-founded in 2014 Guangzhou, China, by He Xiaopeng, a former senior executive at Alibaba, and Xia Heng, a former senior executive at GAC Group, alongside other tech entrepreneurs. The company started with a clear vision: to create smart electric vehicles that would be environmentally friendly and packed with the latest technology. The founders of Xpeng Motors had a background in technology and business, giving them a unique perspective on revolutionizing the automotive industry. They wanted to combine their knowledge of tech with their passion for cars to build innovative and practical vehicles. And now, their leadership has steered Xpeng Motors to become a global player in the electric vehicle market, and now, in the flying car sector. This forward-thinking approach is not just about making cars, it's about creating a new way to travel. Xpeng's leaders constantly push the boundaries, explore new technologies, and challenge the status quo to offer groundbreaking products like the Xpeng X2. You may not know, but from its inception, Xpeng Motors focused on developing electric vehicles that could compete with traditional gasoline-powered cars. The company aimed to make electric vehicles more appealing to a broader audience.
Technology combined with mobility in auto is where we think the future is going to be.
By offering advanced features, high performance, and stylish designs. One of the main reasons Xpeng Motors stands out is its commitment to cutting-edge technology. The company invests heavily in research and development to ensure its vehicles are at the forefront of innovation. So in 2018, they introduced their first model, the Xpeng G3, an electric SUV. The G3 was designed to be a smart, connected vehicle with features like a large touchscreen interface, advanced driver assistance systems, and over-the-air software updates. It was a significant step towards proving that electric vehicles could be practical and exciting. However, as Xpeng Motors gained traction, the company expanded its product lineup. It began to build a strong reputation in the electric vehicle market. They introduced the Xpeng P7, a sleek electric sedan, further cementing their position as a leader in the EV industry. Xpeng vehicles are equipped with advanced technology features such as autonomous driving capabilities, smart navigation systems, and large digital displays.
The most interesting thing about this car, of course, is the NGP function, the autonomous driving function.
The company's cars are designed to provide a seamless and intuitive driving experience, with features that enhance safety and convenience. Unarguably, Xpeng Motors is a pioneer in autonomous driving technology. Their vehicles have advanced driver assistance systems with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems use a combination of cameras, sensors, and AI to help drivers navigate safely and confidently. Also, Xpeng's vehicles can receive over-the-air updates, allowing the company to continuously improve the car's software without requiring a visit to a dealership. This means that Xpeng owners can benefit from new features and improvements even after they've purchased their vehicle. As Xpeng Motors grew, the company expanded its presence beyond China and began to make a mark on the global stage. It is no news that Xpeng Motors has started to enter international markets, including Europe and the United States. The company's expansion into these regions demonstrates its ambition to become a global player in the electric vehicle industry.
You need to have competitive products that customer desires. So that's why we're introducing the P7 and G9, which we believe are very competitive products in Europe. We also have plans to roll out our next generation product, G6, probably sometimes next year, to European customers.
In 2020, Xpeng Motors debuted in the European market by introducing the Xpeng G3 SUV in Norway. The company has since been working to expand its presence in other European countries, bringing its innovative electric vehicles to a broader audience. But as if that is not enough, Xpeng Motors is also eyeing the US market, with plans to introduce its vehicles to American consumers. However, the company's entry into the US market represents a significant step towards achieving its global ambitions. But now, the one you've been waiting for. In addition to its electric vehicles, Xpeng Motors has ventured into the world of flying cars through its subsidiary, Xpeng Aero HT. This division focuses on developing airborne technology and has created the Xpeng X2, a groundbreaking flying car. According to them, the goal is to create a vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. So, with the Xpeng X2, Xpeng Aero HT takes this commitment to a new level. The X2's VTOL technology and autonomous flying systems represent a significant leap forward in personal mobility. By integrating advanced aerodynamics, electric propulsion, and autonomous navigation, Xpeng Aero HT sets a standard in the flying car industry.
This is Xpeng's affiliate, which is Xpeng Aero, and this is literally a flying car.
As Xpeng Motors looks to the future, the company is focused on continuing its path of innovation and growth. With its commitment to technology, sustainability, and global expansion, Xpeng is well positioned to play a major role in shaping the future of transportation. By collaborating with technology firms, research institutions, and industry experts, Xpeng can stay at the cutting edge of innovation. This network of partnerships supports the development of new technologies, including those used in the Xpeng X2. But what exactly is this new flying car called Xpeng X2, and how does it work? Let's explain exactly how this flying car works, and why it will change everything we know about getting from place to place. The flying car era. The Xpeng X2 is a sleek, cutting-edge vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. Think of a car that not only drives like any other, but can also take off vertically, glide through the air, and avoid all the congestion below. That's exactly what the Xpeng X2 offers. Now, this isn't just a concept or a prototype, it's a fully functional flying car that's making waves across the globe. Developed by Xpeng Aero HT, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors, the Xpeng X2 represents a major leap forward in both automotive and aviation technology. The X2 measures 5,172 mm in length, 5,124 mm in width, and 1,362 mm in height, with a curb weight of 680 kilograms and a maximum payload of 160 kilograms. It is said to be more of a drone-type vehicle than a car. With its compact design and advanced capabilities, the Xpeng X2 is not just an exciting innovation, but a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. At its core, the Xpeng X2 is designed to be a versatile vehicle. It functions like a sleek, high-tech car when you're on the ground. It's built to easily navigate city streets and highways like any conventional vehicle.
It's very good that Xpeng also has chosen to go for zero-emission mobility, so we need to rethink all ways from transport, and this is definitely one of the options that we can see.
Its wheels are designed to handle different road conditions, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. But here's where things get truly exciting. When you're ready to take to the skies, the Xpeng X2 transforms into a flying machine. With the push of a button or through its advanced control system, the car's rotors or propellers extend, and it lifts off vertically. This means you don't need a runway or a large open space to start flying. The car can hover, soar, and glide above traffic, making your commute faster and more efficient. This dual ability is what sets the Xpeng X2 apart from other vehicles. It's not just a car with some flying capabilities. It's a fully functional vehicle that can seamlessly switch between driving and flying modes. This flexibility is key to making flying cars a practical option for everyday use. But that's not all. In fact, we're just getting started. One of the most impressive features of the Xpeng X2 is its vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL technology. Unlike traditional aircraft, which require long runways for takeoff and landing, the Xpeng X2 can lift off and touch down vertically. This is achieved through its innovative rotor design and advanced engineering. You may wonder how this works. When you're ready to fly, the Xpeng X2's rotors extend from its body. These rotors generate lift, allowing the car to rise straight into the air. This vertical takeoff means you can leave from practically anywhere, be it a crowded urban street or a small parking lot.
The model is intended for short trips within a city area, and the company says it does not emit any carbon dioxide during flight.
The same technology allows it to land as easily, making it incredibly versatile and convenient. The VTOL feature eliminates the need for large, dedicated landing strips or runways, making urban flying feasible. It also adds flexibility and convenience that traditional aircraft can't match. Thanks to this groundbreaking technology, you can navigate dense cityscapes and avoid traffic jams by taking to the sky. Another standout feature of the Xpeng X2 is its autonomous flying technology. This advanced system makes flying the car as easy as driving it on the road. You don't need to be a skilled pilot to operate the Xpeng X2. The car's autonomous systems handle the complexities of flying. This is possible because the Xpeng X2 is equipped with sophisticated sensors, GPS systems, and artificial intelligence that work together to manage flight. These systems constantly monitor the environment, calculate the best flight paths, and adjust the car's real-time movements. The AI can navigate obstacles, avoid other flying vehicles, and ensure a smooth flight. Interestingly, autonomous flying technology also includes collision avoidance features. The car's sensors detect potential hazards and automatically adjust its flight path to avoid them. This means the Xpeng X2 can fly safely and efficiently, even in busy or complex environments. This technology provides a stress-free experience for the driver, allowing you to enjoy the view while the car takes care of the flying. What's more, the Xpeng X2 is powered by an electric propulsion system, which is a major factor in its performance and environmental benefits. This system includes electric motors that drive both the wheels and the rotors. The car's highly efficient electric motors provide smooth and quiet operation, whether the Xpeng X2 is driving or flying. These motors are powered by advanced batteries that offer a good range for driving and flying.
You can see it's very spacious. It holds 2 people comfortably. Here's the joystick. There's a simple joystick for directional control and an up-down button just for changing altitude. So essentially, if you can fly a drone with 2 thumbs, you can fly this.
Using electric power reduces the need for fossil fuels, making the Xpeng X2 a more sustainable option for transportation. Because it runs on electricity, the Xpeng X2 produces 0 emissions during operation. You would agree that this is a significant advantage over traditional gas-powered vehicles and aircraft, contributing to air pollution. The Xpeng X2's electric propulsion system supports efforts to reduce carbon footprints and promote cleaner, greener transportation. Also, you can always trust your journey to be smooth and seamless because inside the Xpeng X2, you'll find a high-tech, user-friendly interior designed to make every journey enjoyable. The car is equipped with state-of-the-art displays that provide real-time information about the vehicle's status, including speed, altitude, and navigation. These displays keep you informed and in control, whether driving or flying. The interior is designed for comfort, with plush seating and an intuitive control system. The cockpit is designed to be both functional and stylish, making the Xpeng X2 a pleasure to drive and fly. What makes this super interesting is that the Xpeng X2 is built using innovative materials that enhance its performance and durability. What do you think about these new innovations that are shaking up the industry? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, click on the following showing on your screen. You will enjoy it.